Hello, this is Moneymaker. Today I'm going to talk about a business tool that can help your business scale up for this construction business. It's called Service Titan Construction Tool. What it is a company that was created by two owners. I know one of them is Vahi Kozohan, the other one is Arme. It started in 2012 and it was previously designed as a commercial for plumbing software for helping construction people manage tasks, other types of scheduling tasks, for jobs, for professionals, and also marketing, QuickBooks, match technician to jobs, customer service. Their target market is commercial construction, service and replacement. Service and replacement can also be used for residential. Industry they touch in are offer their software for plumbing, electrician, HVAC, pool server, pest control, lawn control, and etc. The pricing plans, there's only three programs: starters, essentials, and the works. Each one offers different sections, which I'll show you inside. The average price for the pricing plan is $245 per month based upon the individual or business needs. Okay, let's go straight to the website. Okay, Service Titan, they'll have a demonstration. They show revenue, computer metrics, and so forth.
Service Titan is a lot of solutions in one location.
I don't have to look at 7 different spreadsheets to be able to see whether we have a successful day or not.
My girlfriend says I look at the dashboard way too much because I look at it every 5 minutes.
We have everything right now, everything.
The biggest part that I liked was all the tracking Service Titan offers. The sales numbers to average job numbers.
Every day I get a report at 1 o'clock of deposits from the previous day. It's automatically sent to me. I can review it in 5 minutes.
Service Titan marketing features are my secret weapon.
The great thing about Service Titan is we have these call tracking numbers that allow us to see exactly what calls are coming in from what advertisement.
Just the stress alone of not worrying about our server going down is huge for me.
It gives you absolutely everything you'd ever want as a business owner.
I don't even think you can explain it. But when you have it, you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know how we operated without.
So it pretty much wraps up it serves business owners to help them find what areas need contracting and improve their business. So this is their chart. They'll help you with inventory scheduling, reporting, dispatch, customer service, sales, marketing, payments, payroll, equipment, agreements, accounting, inventory. It's a good business resource for construction type businesses. Help you improve sales, book more opportunities, track how your office staff converts calls into appointments. You can request a demo with them. They've helped a lot of businesses. And they help you advertise on Google, CapTran, and Software Advice. It's the #1 rated toolbox. You can book a personalized demo today. Fill your information. These are the industry it covers: garage door, chimney service, water treatment, landscape, septic, pest control, and all services. They also have a calculator return on your investment, HVAC load calculator. Let's start with the HVAC calculator. You select your region, how many square feet, the height, insulation grade. Let's see what it is. Extremely well insulated US standard insulation. Okay. Sun exposure. Amount of windows and doors, air tightness, glass sunroom, yes or no. How many occupants? Is there a kitchen? Data wattage use. There's regions for each one. Each one covers a different capacity. So they teach you how to use it, basic step-by-step instructions. They also provide guides, webinar, podcasts to help you use this, what's the intel information on best construction material and so forth on the market. Yeah, on the pricing part, you just file and get a quote from them. What else they got? Right now they have a lot. They also help job opening. They're currently hiring. If you do referrals for them, say you can earn about, for every qualified referral that attends a Service Titan. So it has a affiliate marketing program, so you can earn some money. You earn about $500 for demo reward. Every qualified referral that attends a Service Titan demo, you earn $500, $10,000 new Titan reward. And you can also win a Ford F-150 Raptor 2022 car. Step 1. Submit your referral to Service Titan. If we're a good fit, we'll reach out to them. After they attend a demo, you get $500. Even more cash after 90 days if they go live. Those are previous winners. So if question was a referral, there's a brief. Okay, how to earn the $500 referral. If they qualify and attend the demo within 30 days of the referral. So after 30 days, you'll get your $500. How to receive the new Titan reward? It's after. Okay, so once your referral and is live, and they've done Service Titan for 90 days, you'll receive $10,000. So the first referral, get 10% of your referral annual spend, 15% on your second referral, and 20% on third referral and more, based on how much they spend. How they win the car? Mostly after about sign up and stay with Service Titan for 90 days. From this year to next year, you'll win a 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor custom design wrap of your choosing. Okay, how they pay. They pay you a $500 prepaid Visa gift card. Will be delivered to your email once you are eligible to redeem. So it's electronic use, so you can use it to buy something you need. For the new Titan reward, it'll take about 3 to 4 weeks to arrive in the mail, based on you've been notified of your eligibility. If you earn $600 or more, we'll provide you a W-9 tax form to complete and submit to us. So you'll be paying taxes on that. Very simple. Easy amount of income. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about Service Titan. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.